Welcome everyone, it's Enrico Janko. I'm the Signal. We're powered by the mighty Team Alliance. It's now 12 o'clock, 6/24, July 24th, going on the 25th. Actually, it's the 25th, June 25th. And you're looking at the same space that we grade off before, and look at all the market activity. You notice all the market activity is all 85% of it, 90% of it is contained in that same space. All right. I think that's something that you definitely take a look at. Notice the behavior. The market stayed within the space, and there was no other types of movement, right? So anything else was like pretty much a fake out. Like right here is a fake out. Right here, up here was fake outs, right? So we know all our market activity was in here, and we didn't have any trade set up because our trade will set up when we look for the breakout of here. But I think if you've been watching the market, you notice that within this box, in the market activity within this box, you can almost cut it in half, like right about here, right? And that also shows a line between buyers, strong buyers, and weaker buyers, all right? So the structure of the market has the stronger buyers down here, right? So we would any buys in this area, we would have to wait for the structure to be built. And structure usually is not built when the market just trends in one direction without a battle between the other side. Usually there's a battle first for the market to be strong in that price level. A battle at that price level usually builds a level of strength around it. All right, so it's just little pieces of information that we're going to be using. All right, we're going to get stronger and progress as we go day by day, because we'll see more things going on in the market. All right, we'll learn how to actually trade all inside of here too, so we could get a good trade inside here. All right, but first, before we know about what's going on inside, we want to know what happens when it hits the outside of these areas. All right, because with price action, we'll always need to know how price is reacting in these areas. Doesn't matter how it reacts any place else, really. We need to know how it reacts in areas of interest. And areas of interest are where market turns can happen, reversals of the market when the market is weak. All right, so these are small little detailed pieces of information that we always have to kind of think about. Like if I put this on the 5 minute, you'll see it more clearly, right? A little clearly. You see how it was almost cut in half right about here. In this area is almost cut in half, right? And that'll show you the difference between the weaker buyers and the stronger buyers. All right? You know, if you get all the way up here, right, the market, you definitely have to have a strong market to be buying anything up here, because this is where the strong sellers are at. All right? So it's just we go back and forth between this oscillating motion in this gray box area, right? like I said, we'll learn how to even tap into that rhythm so we can get good opportunities. All right, so I just want to show you what the market was looking at like at this particular time. So when we look at it again in the morning, we can compare it and make proper reference to it. Right now, you see the market is doing a little trending move, but the trending move is all within our consolidated area. Every bar, right? Every bar is either trending or is not trending. And this is something each trader needs to see. All these patterns, you might call it whatever you might call any of these patterns, inside bars and outside bars, all these different patterns. But what they're actually trying to describe is the behavior. And at any bar, it's either going to be trending like it is now. That even that little area down, that's a trend down on the 1 minute. If I go all the way down to the 1 minute, you see that's a trending bar down. All right. So every bar is either a trending bar or it's a range bar, a bar that is going nowhere really, like this bar, right? So we don't put a whole bunch of descriptions on or names on them because these names don't help us. All we need to know is the bar trending, like this bar trended up, this bar this bar is really a range bar because it trended down and up, right? This one went nowhere, right? So these are just remember that. I know it might seem simplistic, but in the simplicity is the truth of the matter, and it helps in your trading. This bar right here is just a trending up. This bar, that's what it's doing, right? Each bar on its own. All right. So I see you guys shortly, right? We'll finish. We'll be going through this for quite some time because we're getting to the point where we're only going to take great trades, and we're learning how to take the best trades only, just the best trades only. All right. When we get on these outside of this and we get a little breakaway action, there'll be trades for us to take, right? There'll be trades for us to take. So just you must be patient, and what's more important is just recognizing market behavior. How's the market behaving? Right now you're seeing a pretty uniform move upward, so that was a uniform buy. But notice where the buy stems from. The buy stems from down here, right? Always the buy stems from low, right? Remember, think about this as a mattress almost. The soft part of the mattress is on top. On the bottom is the firmer, harder part of the mattress that supports it all. All right? My name is Enrico Janko. I'm the Signal, and we're powered by the Mighty Team Alliance. I will see you guys shortly, hopefully in the morning. Well, hopefully in the morning we wake up and be thankful for another day. All right? Good night, everyone.